In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam profile background. Personalizing your Steam profile is a quick way to make your page feel more like you, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. In the top right corner, click your username and choose View My Profile. That takes you straight to your public profile page. From here, click Edit Profile. This opens the customization area where you control how your profile looks and feels. On the left side, you'll see a section called Profile Background. This is where all your own backgrounds appear, including any animated ones. If you don't see many options yet, you can expand your collection through the Points Shop on the Steam store. The Points Shop lets you browse and acquire backgrounds from bold, animated scenes to subtle, game-themed artwork using Steam points you've earned from purchases. You can preview items to see how they move or look, and each one is tied to your account once you add it, so it will be available anytime you want to switch things up. Keep an eye out for seasonal or limited designs if you want something a little more unique. Head back to the Edit Profile page and open the Profile Background section. You'll see your available backgrounds listed there. Select the one you want to use, and then look at the display mode options. Full screen stretches the artwork to cover your entire profile background, creating a bold, edge-to-edge look. Original size shows the image at its native resolution, which can preserve detail if the art is designed for a specific layout. Pick the mode that best suits the artwork and the readability of your profile text. If your background is very bright or high contrast, full screen can look striking, but original size may keep things cleaner and easier to read. Once you're happy with your selection, click Save to apply the changes. Steam will update your profile right away. Your chosen background will appear not only on your main profile page but also on your mini profile pop-up and in supported themes, giving your entire presence a consistent look. If you switch between the desktop and web versions of Steam, the change typically carries over, and it may take a moment to refresh across views. And that's it. Thanks for watching.